All right, guys, Brent here with a BGAM Motor Co. And it's been a while, so I wanted to do an updated video here. Finally got my replacement gears. Got my cover there. I think I got her pretty good there. Got the TP5850 motor still, Max 5. Finally got a good set of Proline tires. So we are going to do a video here and see what top speed is. So I haven't been too impressed. I was running 1535 gear setup, 1.5 mods, 5 gears, and end up shredding the last set of gears. But wasn't real impressed with the top speed. I only hit 57, and I was doing that on the stock motor, ESC, just by changing the gearing. So hopefully be able to get some more speed here, running 25 pinion, 33 spur gear. So 25-33 setup. Like I said, it's all B&M Racing. They were nice enough actually to replace my gears for me. Sent me this set as a replacement, so very happy with that. Got the B&M Racing mount. So let's see what it does here. All right, guys, so you can see it's zeroed out here. I'll put the body on, but we'll do one continuous shot. Put this on my mount. If it stays without tipping over. So the toughest thing is keeping the front end down. Let's try doing it wrong. Okay, so we got a few little runs back and forth. Let's see what it shows. This must be the magical number for this thing. I think there's more left in it, but still 57. So let me toss it back up here. We'll continue to roll. See if I can't break through that 57 top speed here. Let me back this up, see a little bit more. Well, that ended about how it usually does, so let's see if the GPS stayed on it. See if we beat 57, regardless. hey, not by much, but we got 58. So, gained a mile per hour there. I didn't bring my heat gun, so I'm not gonna push it too much, but gained 1 mile per hour. Not what I wanted to see out of changing the gearing so drastically, 25 to 33. Put in the comments what you think. Showed you earlier in it, as far as my setup. This probably could have turned my big battery on, not even plug it in. But anyways, TP5850 Max 5. Put in the comments if you think of anything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, BJM Motor Co. Thanks.